Hey everybody, it's Dick here. I managed to get a Touratech box for the top of the GS. It came with this rack and 4 bolts. I'm going to show you how I put it on. So I learned quite a bit from the last video when we installed the GV racks. I managed to get a Touratech top box and rack off eBay for a bit of a song. It turns out it was a bit of a song because the box is locked and there's no keys. So we're going to figure that out in another video, but we're going to mount the rack anyway because I'm optimistic. You can remember we had these two caps, these plastic caps that cover the bolts for the factory handrails. There's 2 other bolts here. They're Torx T40. You go ahead and you remove these carefully because you want to have to keep them nice. You're not going to use them for the new rack, but keep them. I always keep these things because you never know if you change your mind or if you want to sell the bike and keep the box, or sell the box and keep the bike. It's always good to keep those things. Put them in a safe place, label them. This is like I said, T40 Torx. We're going to go ahead and remove those and then see about putting the rack on. Alright, so I've removed the bolts. Just looking at the rack here, you can see a flat section and then a raised section. There's little bumps. Those raised sections are where the box will slot into on the bottom. These flat parts are going to line up right here. Now if you just dry mount the rack, you can see that there's an issue with height if you want to keep your factory grab rails. Now you'll know from my last video that I really do want to keep my factory grab rails because I really like them. So Touratech has created these great spacers that slot right into the plastic mount there. Now there is a gap where the Torx bit, the Torx screw set down in there, and Touratech has not missed any beats. They have a smaller washer that slides right into there. So the 4 washers will sit there, and then these bolts will go through and mount the rack. And make sure you have a good set of Torx bits and you can work on your BMW seamlessly. So just like the bolts that came off, it's a T40, and I just have to say, holy crap, that was easy. Maybe 4 or 5 minutes on, ready for the box. I think the only thing that make it better is if it was black. BMW and Touratech have a great relationship, and you can tell by just how easily and quickly that rack went on. If you enjoyed that video, please subscribe.